Hello friends, today we will be covering the very popular ChatGPT. ChatGPT, a powerful AI chatbot from OpenAI, is getting used online quickly and in large numbers. Nearly everyone around the world likes it, and it's the thing to use in 2023 to become successful. ChatGPT is like a one-stop shop for anyone with a problem that they can explain in a few words. Here are 6 ChatGPT strategies if you don't know how to do them. 1. Tell ChatGPT to continue responses that were cut off. When ChatGPT works on a prompt that needs a long answer, the answer could be cut off in the middle. A simple way to fix this? You must tell ChatGPT to continue for regular text or continue code for a broken off code block. 2. How to get answers to unanswered questions. Even though ChatGPT is very smart, it still can't understand all requests as well as a person could. When ChatGPT gives you the wrong answer or won't give you an answer, try rephrasing the question over and over again. 3. How complex do you want your answer to be? If you ask ChatGPT to explain quantum computing, it would give you the same answer your professor gave in class. Things don't have to be like that. You can tell ChatGPT to answer at the level of complexity you want. How? Explain how complicated your prompts are. Some helpful options for difficulty are: explain like I'm 5 years old. Give examples that make sense. Tell it as you would to a mechanic. You can replace mechanic with any profession you are conversant with. In baseball terms, explain, you can replace baseball with any sports you are conversant with. 4. Emojis can add a lot to your conversations. AI models like ChatGPT don't have feelings or emotions of their own. But you can make things more interesting by telling ChatGPT to respond with the right emoji. 5. Get a response that is industry or niche specific. ChatGPT is an all-around chatbot. Because of this, its answers are very general and may include words or ideas that don't apply to the current situation or your area of interest. For example, you want to talk about being a lawyer. In that case, you might wish to ChatGPT to use legal terms instead of everyday English words. To do this, you'll need to tell ChatGPT to act like a legal entity and then give it more specific instructions to help it give responses that are even more relevant to the situation and industry. Here are some excellent examples. I want you to act like a baseball analyst. Act as an English translator and improver. Act as a travel guide. Act as a stand-up comedian. How you want ChatGPT to behave is up to you. How you want Chat to act is all up to you. In the description is a link to the article on our site. We have provided a ton of more commands. 6. Get ChatGPT to answer in a certain way. You can tell ChatGPT to act like a person or thing and ask it to answer in a certain way. What kinds of fashions? For example, if you ask it to write a poem, you can tell it to do so in the style of William Shakespeare. Write lyrics about dogs in the style of Rage Against the Machine. Write a love poem in the style of Shakespeare. Final thoughts. The fact that there are no complex rules is one of the best things about ChatGPT. To use the AI chatbot, you don't have to stick to a strict set of rules. How well you can use the chatbot depends on how creative you can be with the questions you ask it. You can use any of the hacks we listed above, but you'll need to be creative to solve your problems with ChatGPT.